one-handed. I'd expect nothing less from a FUBAR.
Okay, now that the camera's on, we are doing a team deathmatch, hardcore rules. Whatever. Do 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 do. Damn, son. I like this spot.
Yeah.
Oh.
What, squirrel? What? Where? Where? Seriously, contact? Oh.
My God!
Fuck it, we'll do it left. Oh, for the what you call it reel. I forget what you call your bloopers. I guess. Or like dicking around. Dicking around.
There we go. Dicking around 3. The bullshit continues.
Brought to you by your cameraman, Jackson. Woof woof.
Woo! Oh!
Oh.
Freedom! Oh.
Dude, that breeze though. Oh. I think I came.
I'm the only one that caught that. When are we gonna decide? Ah! Come out, you bitches. You ain't got shit on this.
Okay, since I know Brett's gonna cut most of this, our update is we still have seen no enemy. Wait, is that contact? I can't see his colors. I see someone in the woods. Woods left. Woods left. Oh, he's out. He's out. He's out. Okay. Put your gun up. There you go.
Okay. That's one down.
Would you stop thinking about dogs?
Maybe a tree and get the fuck out.
Exactly.
Oh,
Boondock Saints. Fuck us. One of my favorites. Well, if you're pushing the ditch, I gotta film it. Fuck.
You not want to go? Ah.
No, let's get this over with.
Y'all can commit to it, but...
Let's go kill them all and get it over with. What? Your blooper reel? I think you got plenty. I don't either. That sun is like sapping my strength.
That's why I said the shade. I'm getting out of the sun. I don't keep covering so there's no shade in my spot.
I just wish they'd push already. Oh, see movement. Maybe he's out. Hang on, he's out. He's out. Don't shoot him. That's blue. I know. I'm toast. They can call me a pussy if they want. I'm toast. Okay, contact right. All right, get ready. Contact right.
That's Alex.
This is my spot. Get out of here. Okay, Alex is coming back. Is he out? Oh, blue spotted. Trench. Get ready. They're moving up.
Combat. Oh God. Oh, I'm up.
Get ready for them. Don't let them catch you sleeping. No, really. Don't get caught out in the open, that's what I'm saying. Sleeping with your mother. I'm sleeping with your mom. Alright, they're moving farther up. See them? Got a visual, look. I can't reach out there that far. Your side, Brett's side. I can't fire that far. I think he waved at me. Where'd he go? Dang, man. Yes, we are. Does that mean we're dead? You shit? Did you shit?
I'm so scared I don't even.
All right, let's push. But I'm getting tired of even standing here. Let's just move. Up. We're back in the fort. I tried, Eddie. What'd you say? No, I didn't get him. He's on our left. It's like a saw, I think. So be ready. Don't get caught out in the open. Where? Oh, on your side?